Right, now for a structured text POU. So we're going to need another file, another application. So in here, right click, add object. So we want a program organizational unit. So it's the next one, so we're after structured text. So we call it up here something that makes sense to us. So structured text test for us, we want a program. So here you can build function blocks and functions. So, and these again can be used inside programs, so you can build up your structure as per IEC 61131, so fully compliant. Down here says FBD, we don't want a function block, we want structured text. There we go, so we have a structured text. Oh, got that wrong, no gaps. There we go, so we have a structured text program. So again, structured text starts with nothing. So if we go back here to the PLC, I'm going to steal shamelessly the variables, so we'll copy those. Now again, these are just variables, so we're just going to paste them in here. Okay, so these are now available locally in our structured text. So again, down here we see PLC program. So as things are at the moment, we're not going to run our structured text, so the thing to remember is if your code's not running, make sure in here you have added it. So we need a program call. So we need to call the structured text application. Okay, so it's now there in the main task, so it's going to be running all of this code here. So again, in here, fairly simple, hunt up the help, but uses the standard. So if switch 1 it's a boolean, so it's going to be a true or false. So we can just say if switch 1, then mental blank, switch 1 equals true, then okay, automatically fills in a bunch of stuff for us. Then lamp 1 takes on the value true. Okay, and then we'll have an else lamp 1 takes on the value false. Now it's given us an extra end if in here, which we don't need. So that should be good now. So, oh, forgot the semicolons. As with structured text always needs semicolons. So that should tidy it up there. So, and if, so, yeah, it would have complained about that. So again, build, here we go. No problems, so we will. Okay, debug, here we go, online login. So this will we'll log in and download it. So this is into the same simulation we were using earlier. So, okay, no warnings, no errors, we're fine. So again, see the visualization says waiting for a connection, so we need to start this up. So debug start, so runs. So again, we're looking in ST-test. So in here, if we prepare the value here, true, and then under debug, Control F7 will write the values. We get the lamp to true as well. So this is showing just the variables changing. Note, over here in the visualization, no changes here because these are attached to the PLC program variables. So if we go offline now, we log out. Okay, if we go over here to the visualization and pop into the toolbox, we should be able to grab ourselves an extra lamp and grab ourselves an extra switch. We'll plonk those in. So properties, again, variable. So we have ST-test, so we want the switch. And down here we want, get the nice pick box, we want the lamp in ST-test. So again, that should pop out the way. Okay, auto hide. So in here you'll find a few, select all of them. You get alignment tools, so we can align these vertical center, make it look a little bit nicer, and you also get a few other options in the alignment space. So yeah, make your vertical spacing equal so we can make it look nice and symmetric. So done that, I'll save it for good measure. Now we'll log in again. Now we've adjusted it, so we're going to log in with an online change. So it'll download it. Okay, so now you'll see that the lamp is true. Now we've got the switch here indicating the switch. So if we change that, we've got the structured text code working. If we change this one, it's still working, but it's in the ladder. So if we go over to the ladder code, here we go, you'll see the ladder code working here. So again, you can see both sets of code running at the same time, and the visualization gives us, yes, let's auto hide. So here we are, structured text doing its stuff. So there we go, very, very simple bit of structured text. So next I'll be looking at function block diagram.